Can chops be simple? Well, in this lesson, they are. What's up everyone, CJ here, hope you're all doing well. Now and then, it's fun to play around with fast fills and chops, and sometimes it's hard to know where to start. Luckily, in this video, I'm gonna break down 3 awesome chops that are pretty simple. Now, when I say simple, I don't mean beginner friendly. You gotta practice these a lot to be able to play them fast, but they're not difficult stickings. Before we get started though, all my channel members out there can download everything from this lesson via the link in the member community tab. So if you would like some extra bonus content from every drum lesson that I make, consider joining the channel membership. Now let the chopping begin. Alright, first of all, what are chops? Chops are usually referred to as musical phrasings around the drum set, often linear patterns with both hands and feet. And usually they're played pretty fast. You can often repeat one phrasing or sticking around the drum set for more than one measure, and you got a chop right there. So let's get right to it. If we look at the transcription, this chop is played as 30-second notes, and we can divide this into 2 parts. The sticking for the first part is right, left, kick, and you repeat that 4 times. The second part is right, left, kick, played twice, and then it ends on a right, left kick. Make sure you keep the ghost notes on the snare drum. I'll break down the first part and then the second part at a slow tempo, speed them up, and then put them together. Okay, when you've put them together, repeat the entire measure several times and try different orchestrations. Finally, let's try it with a groove. You can play it as a fill for one measure, or you can try to solo with it. I mean, you gotta admit, that's pretty cool. Let's go for chop number 2. This is a fairly simple rock fill pattern you can just repeat over and over. This fill is based off of 16th notes with 2 32nd notes on the E of beat 1 and 3. The sticking for this is kick, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And to complete this for one measure, you play it twice. Let's start by repeating the pattern slowly and then gradually speed it up. And of course, try it in a groove context. Nice work, everyone. If you enjoyed this video so far, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Now, let's go for the final chop. In this last chop, we'll incorporate both feet. If we look at the transcription, this is played as 6-tuplets, and the sticking for this is hi-hat stomp, right, left, left, kick, right, left, left. And you play this twice to fill one measure. I'll break it down at a slow tempo and then bring it up a notch. And of course, you can't escape this, try it with a groove. Alright you guys, I hope this lesson inspires you to play some fun chops. Feel free to leave a comment down below and tell me what you would like to see more of on this channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated whenever I release a new video. Now, if you're struggling with not being able to play fast enough, you can check out this video right here. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.